kids! Today, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 with fun rhymes and pictures. Let's count together.
1 is a sun shining bright. It warms the world with golden light. 2 are shoes laced up just right. Left and right, they feel so light. 3 are trees that sway and dance, waving leaves in a happy trance. 4 are cars that zoom and race, driving fast in a speedy chase. 5 are bees that buzz and hum, flying to flowers, yum, yum, yum. 6 are drums that boom and play, beating loud all through the day. 7 colors in the sky so high, together they paint a rainbow sky. 8 balloons go floating by, red and blue up in the sky. 9 are ducks that flap and quack, waddling along the river track. 10 fingers we can wave around, clap them once, what a joyful sound. Now we've counted 1 to 10, let's count again and tell